Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ENPH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the green and red line annotations were coming from. And the big question was, hey, the price had made a nice bounce. Was that the start of something bigger? And we got our answer today. Absolutely not. That's what we call, for you technical traders out there, if you've ever heard the term a dead cat bounce, there you go. There's what a dead cat bounce looks like. Sure, it bounced, but that was about all she wrote, and it rolled right back over. And maybe you're having a case of deja vu, but it's pretty much exactly the same as it was yesterday. And like I talked about in yesterday's chart, after today has, the dust has settled, the bulls have made a nice move from where it was here to where it ultimately closed. And then you factor in that during that final 30 minutes, you can see a big old surge of volume. Once again, it presents a scenario of, hey, maybe this is finally some sort of bottom. Maybe history is going to repeat itself and it's going to totally dump out again. But again, from a risk versus reward perspective, these are the sorts of setups where you can actually take several losses, assuming you have logical stop losses and all that good stuff, and you can ultimately come out ahead, if the big old bounce finally happens. So that's kind of what I'm going to focus on here, is just the fact that the price is bouncing. So let's talk about some levels of support and resistance from that point of view. And the first level of support going forward is just going to be right here at about $5.40. Any sort of closes below $5.40, this is not like a gutsy call on my part, but price is probably going down to at least $5.20, if not lower. So $5.40 to me is kind of the telltale sign of whether or not this bounce is actually going to gain some more momentum, or if it's just going to kind of collapse like it did last time. Now, in the event there is some power behind this bounce, first key level is just where the bounce kind of ran out of steam today, and that's right up there around $5.65. And the next one after that is going to be just the overall trend indicator, which is that purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line will move itself further and further down. So keep an eye on these levels, but the purple line is kind of irrelevant for the time being, as long as the price is still down below that initial red line there. But we'll see what happens with it. Sure, the bulls, it was just a total dead cat bounce on Thursday, but once again, you got to give credit where credit's due. They're putting together another nice bounce here, and maybe this is the one that actually, gets some more follow through. We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.